All right, this is going to be a quick video on troubleshooting transmission issues. In this particular car, I have the ECU out. That's the engine control module. In this particular car, the transmission was starting in third gear, but you could put it in first gear and it would take off in first gear, and then you would move it to second gear and it would go into second and third. Sometimes it would work by itself. When you come to a stop and it's still in drive, it'll go to 1, 2, 3, and 4. But most of the times, not. So there are a lot of things that could be wrong in the transmission, like the solenoids, because it's my idea that if you can put it in gear and it has the gear, then it has to be something with electrical or the solenoids. So if you already canceled out the solenoids, checking on the solenoids and any other fuses that might run the transmission, you may want to check this out. Take off the cover, take out the ECM, take off the cover, and see if you have any of these ohms burnt out. And if you can see, I have one burnt out right here. You see how it's a little black there? Let me see if I can put this down. Let me get something to point at. Okay, so it's right there. That melted right there. Kind of like melted this. Now, I'm not an electrician or anything like of that sort, so I wouldn't even dare to replace that ohm resistor and try to solder it back. That's just me, because it just looks like you may have toasted something else. Maybe, maybe not. So what do? Well, I think changing the ECM is a lot cheaper than changing the transmission, wouldn't you? Because you can always go to a junkyard, depending on where you go. If you go to those places where you just pull it out yourself, it's $35. Or you can get one on eBay. Just don't mess around with the refurbished ones. All right, so there you have it. If you're having a transmission issue, check it out. Might be one of these ohm resistors that's burnt out on the ECM. And that's it. I wish you guys the best of luck.